I need you to understand that Lynn Ngugi is paid by the somebody, probably Muzungus, to push the stories she pushes. Lynn Ngugi and her sob stories. I've ever seen those Lynn Ngugi. You know, Lynn Ngugi is paid by people to spread what we call low vibrational energy. If you look at her stories, when you watch them, there is something they do to your brain. You don't know what's happening to you. Because I told you these guys, they are people who play a long game. So there's something it does with your brain. It's almost like watching Lynn Ngugi has the psychological equivalent of watching porn. You know, when you watch porn, there's something it does to your brain. You start having a dysfunctional, relationship with the other gender. Eh? So it's the same. The psychological overhaul based on watching low vibrational energy stories which have just a bad ending. Lynn Ngugi does not know how to do any liberative content. So because you watch, I see how many views. I see you guys in diaspora. You are in the diaspora. Instead of remember, now you're following stories. I don't know, this guy then took, I don't know what, then he ripped off some crazy stories which Lynn Ngugi goes to look for. I don't dismiss that these cases actually exist. That we have people who, are, butchers or what or whatever. So Elizabeth Karanja says, wow, that's deep because I was watching a Lynn show today and I had to turn it off. Watching Lynn, the psychological equivalent, please, I want you to, I know this video will still be online at some point during the night, but I need you to understand that Lynn Ngugi is paid by the somebody, probably Muzungus, to push the stories she pushes. So when you watch, I've just told you, when you watch, there is a way that story, the build up and everything that is happening, you will be left traumatized slowly by slowly. So like now my friend was telling me that the mother in the US of A, after church, she just sits down and watches Lynn Ngugi back to back. So I've just told you the psychological, you read, everyone is telling you about the psychological effects. Wise man, we cannot be mere consumers of good governance, we must be participants, we must be co-creators. That's what somebody is writing there. So they've written widely about the harmful psychological effects of watching porn. They would never say anything about people like Lynn Ngugi, not just her. There are so many other people who push that kind of content, those kinds of, like now there's a TikTok account I was watching today. It just had scary clips and I felt triggered. So there's no way you can tell me you will watch a whole Lynn Ngugi episode and you live there as the same person. No. But there's somebody who is funding because there's a lot of money. Yeah? There's a lot of money which goes into pushing such, productions. There's a lot of money. And that Jeraine Shitu guy, I don't know that. I don't know him, but I don't look for such a low vibrational energy myself. So yeah, so Lynn Ngugi, You are there, you are watching, you're in the diaspora. Instead of looking for learning our history, instead of learning how you are in America to begin with, I was giving you.
Sijui Lynn Ngugi amewafanyia nini, lakini muachane na content yake. Kama content ya Lynn Ngugi haikubambi, tafadhali tafuta kitu kingine ya kufanya. Unajua vile hizo content za Lynn Ngugi zinaokolea watu huku nje? Do you know the type of story she brings? It is the top leading things zinafanya mavijana wanakuwa na mental health. Nyinyi watu mnasema sijui ati hizo video zake zinaletanga low vibration. Nyinyi ndio mko na low vibration. Kwa sababu niambie, tangu lini mapenzi ikakuwa ni kupigwa kama umbwa kila siku karibu wawe? And there are so many girls out there that are going the same exact thing, but they are surrounded with you, people like you with low vibration, wenye mnawaambianga vumilia, mwanamke ni ndoo, mwanamke ndiye anajenganga nyumba. Kama unataka sijui ati mwanaume akupee nifanye